Madam Coa, sa akin, dun sa narinig ko ngayong araw na ito, I think there was a predetermined selection of Aquadata as a party to the management contract. Would you agree with that also, Madam Coa?
Yes, Your Honor. I think we use the word pre-arranged, Your Honor.
Hindi predetermined. Ibig sabihin, alam na nasa yung Aquadata ang kukuha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I would just like to take advantage para to inform the local officials of the municipality of Bawan para hindi na maulit ito. Number one, yun pong I will center my observations po dun sa management contract of Bawan with Aquadata Incorporated. Number one, yung pong management contract ninyo, it was made not in compliance with the BOT law. That would be correct, Madam Coa?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi they failed to follow pre-qualification and bidding requirements under Republic Act 6957 and Republic Act 7718.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, okay. Now, there is no study or legal basis for the 95-5% gross revenue sharing. Would that be correct, Madam Coa?
No, Your Honor. It was just indicated in the letter of intent of Aquadata.
Kasi dapat po merong basis ito, di po ba? Kung bakit ganito po ang percentage sharing, which hindi po ginawa ng municipality of Bawan.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Yes. The other one is yung holdover agreement. The municipality of Bawan pre-terminated the agreement. Maybe because of its disadvantageous provisions or terms. Pero pumasok pa rin po sila sa holdover agreement eh. Parehas pa rin ang terms and conditions. So it is, hindi namin maintindihan bakit ganon. Which is inherently illegal. Tama po ba, Madam Coa?
Yes, Your Honor. It is already outside the contract. It is illegal and it is disadvantageous to the municipality of Bawan.
Now, finally, the sale of the BWS facility. Is it correct for us to conclude that the sale was through an underpriced and illegal negotiated sale to Aquadata? Is that also the finding of COA?
Yes, Your Honor. That is under finding number 5 po. Hindi po tayo umabot doon.
That is a violation of law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Kung titignan po natin, yung pong kaya nagkaroon po ng notice of disallowance doon sa PSNMOE in the amount of 40.3 million. Would that be correct, Madam? And this is not legal also. Na-discuss na natin kanina.
Irregular po yun, Your Honor.
Yes. Para malaman po ng mga officials ng Bawan, yung problema po doon sa holdover management, naririnig po natin kanina na ang dahilan kung bakit tinuloy po nila through a holdover agreement because kailangan po to avoid disruptions in the operations. Tama po. Which is not a valid or legal excuse. Would that be correct, Madam Coa?
Tama po.
Hindi po pwedeng excuse po yun na in order for you to avoid disruptions in operations, you will violate the law. Hindi po pwede yun. Now, yung pong meron po rin violation ng BOT law, Republic Act 7718, yung arrangement na ginawa ng Bawan with Aquadata. Kasi, I think it lacked the necessary requirements like no approval from relevant agencies and there was no publication insofar as the project is concerned. Would that be correct also?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi rin po ginawa ng Bawan
Hindi rin po.
Municipal.
Hindi rin po.
Hindi.
Yung mga requirements under the BOT law, wala po silang naibigay na documents to prove na nag-submit sila as required by law.
Yun pong yung privatization nila, justification, did COA find it legally tenable?
If we speak about if the contract or the privatization or the sale of the Bawan Waterworks system is advantageous to the municipality of Bawan, I don't think so, Your Honor. So I would not agree. So
hindi po. And Madam COA, sa akin, dun sa narinig ko ngayong araw na ito, I think there was a predetermined selection of Aquadata as a party to the management contract. Would you agree with that also, Madam COA?
Yes, Your Honor. I think we use the word pre-arranged, Your Honor.
Hindi predetermined. Ibig sabihin, alam na nasa yung Aquadata ang kukuha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And last but not least, Mr. Chair, there was an irregular and undervalued asset purchase agreement. The sale of the BWS was conducted without COA approval, making it illegal. BWS was undervalued. Would that be correct, Madam COA?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, for the officials of Bawan, both current and former, yun po yung pagkakamali natin o yun po yung violations of law na nagawa po natin dahil lang sa BWS contract with Aquadata. Tama?
Yes. Your Honor, would you allow me to just read the finding number 5?
Yes.
This is pertaining to the negotiated sale.
Please proceed.
Okay. Under finding number 5, Your Honor, the sale and disposal of BWS facility to Aquadata Incorporated through negotiated sale at 100.636 million purchase price per the asset purchase agreement without the approval of COA was not only irregular, underpriced, and disadvantageous to the municipality of Bawan, but also illegal in the following manner. Letter A, no rebidding for the sale and disposal of BWS facility was conducted, although there was a revision of the terms of reference. B, the disposal of BWS facility through negotiated sale was in violation of Section 379 of Republic Act 7160, Section 79 of PD 1445, and the governing provisions of COA Circular Numbers 92386, 89296, and 86264, and the Department of Budget and Management National Budget Circular Number 425 on Manual on Disposal of Government Property cited by the BAC in the invitation to apply and for eligibility and to bid. Number 3, or letter C, the mayor accepted the offered price of 100.636 million, although the members of the panel of negotiators rejected the price for being unconscionable and disadvantageous to the interest of the municipality. The economic utility of the Bawan Waterworks system based on premium benefit valuation as determined by the members of the special audit team who are licensed engineers amounted to 148 million, Your Honor. And letter D, the asset purchase agreement on sale and disposal of BWS facility had no approval of COA in violation of Section 79 of PD 1445, Section 197 of COA Circular Number 92386, Section 380 of Republic Act 7160, and Article 444 of its IRR. That's it for finding number 5, Your Honors.
Thank you, Ma'am Chona. Anyway, when was the date of that sale, ma'am?
The date of the sale.
Oh. Vice, while Ma'am Chona is searching for the exact date and year, Vice, during the sale of the BWS, ikaw na ba yung Vice Mayor at the time? Pag-iano lang po. Please use the mic.
Hindi ba po, sir?
But you are then, hindi rin po kayo councilor?
Councilor po noon.
Sale?
Hindi po ako councilor noong by sale po.
Ay, hindi ka councilor?
Di ba?
When was you elected as mayor? As vice mayor?
2022 po, sir.
2022. Last election lang po.
Yes po.
And it's still running now as vice mayor?
Yes po, sir.
Same with Mayor Delor?
Yes po.
Okay. Anyway, while Ma'am Chona is searching for the exact date, kasi gusto ko lang po makita, kasi from one violation to another violation, tsaka ito, yung sale, malinaw po sa COA audit report based on the findings number 5, na talaga pong ang dami pong violation, and it is not only violated the Republic Act 7718 and 7160. It violated mismo yung COA PD 1445 and Memorandum Circulars of COA. So, ito po, may problema po tayo dito. Now, anyway, Ma'am Chona, do you have a comment now?
The date of asset purchase agreement, Your Honor, was executed on January 23, 2013 for the same price po, yung 100.636 million.
Bali, 2013 po.
Yes po, January 23, 2013.
So yung holdover is 2011, tama? From 2011 to 2013.
2013.
After the holdover, bininta na.
Binenta na.
May problema tayo dyan. May laking problema. Anyway, kasi po, ito lang yung sinasabi niyo po because of for consideration of the interest of the Bawan, municipality of Bawan and the Bawan Yos. But tingnan po, kumikita po yung policy nyo before the management contract. Now, second po, question of the sale, kasi sinabi niyo po, baka may interruption na mangyayari. But pwede naman sana po, 2011, nag-hold over kayo, then before the sale, kung kaya niyo na, pwede naman po mag-transition kayo, di ba? Pwede naman transition eh. Di ba? Until such time that the municipality of Bawan can fully manage. Instead of, after the holdover, bininta niyo pa. And mas marami pong rules and regulation, especially with the COA, that were violated. So, malaki pong malaki pong problema to. And anyway, tama lang po, Vice, wala tayong magawa. We have to conduct more hearings with regards to this because we have not yet discussed the second issue about the public plaza, no? The lease agreement for the public plaza po. So we have to discuss it in the next hearing. And before I forget, let me direct the COMSEC to invite in the next hearing a certain Fernando Cayetano and a certain Emilien Silva, the original incorporator of Aqua Database. And for the record, I checked now the original SIC registration. Yung po, capital is only 10 million. And we're talking about the assessed value is 148 million. Ayun po, pag-usapan natin next hearing. And also kindly invite COMSEC, send an invitation to the SEC so that they can also give some clarifications to the possible queries that will be raised by members of this committee. And that includes us here. Madam Koa, yes? Ikaw ngayon yung Koa, no? Sa Koa ka ba, Madam?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, from SEC po.
Sorry?
From SEC po. Yes.
No. So, may kopya ka ba doon sa Aqua database?
Yes
may
po.
dala ka ba?
We provided na rin po sa COMSEC.
Okay, anyway, wala na po tayong oras. Next hearing na lang po. Pinaunahan na kita. Pagandaan mo na lang po yung mga possible questions ng the next hearing po. BIR, mayroon na tayong BIR dito? Wala? Please, COMSEC. Please extend an invitation to BIR, to the BIR in the next hearing. Ang luwa nandito po? Luwa? Ay sir, sorry po, nandito pa lang po kayo. Please prepare na lang po for yung mga, of course, from the water district which is being run and managed by the municipality of Bawan. Alam niyo po mga mangyayari po?
Mr. Chair, if I may po, wala pong water district registered under Bawan Water District na pangalan po.
Wala.
Ang meron po doon ay yung as is at saka dalawa lang pong barangay RWSA ang meron po sa aming listahan.
So paano nagkaroon ng Bawan Water System?
I think this is a LGO, purely LGO operated, sir.
So is it allowed by law?
Yes, sir. Actually, hindi siya sa amin ang ano po sa kanila. That's under DILG and NWRB.
MWRB.
Yes, sir. Kasi doon sila makakakuha ng permit for the water.
Yeah. So COMSEC is directed to invite also representative of NWRB and state the purpose of such invitation para po mapagandaan nila. Pwede rin po in advance, kindly send an invitation at the same time, the purpose and documents that we need, no, to shed light on this issue. So, Lawa, but legal opinion and position siguro pwede kayong mahingan next hearing, no?
We will comply, sir.
Sige, thank you.